We are the Rivers Ijaw Peoples Congress, a communique issued by the Rivers Ijaw Peoples Congress after an extraordinary meeting held on Saturday, 1st of June 2024. We, the chiefs, elders, women, opinion leaders, and youths of the Ijaw people of Rivers State hereby issue this communique in clarification of the pervasive false narrative that has dominated the conventional and social media. This is the first time in the past 24 years in which there was a political power shift to the Ijaws of Rivers State. The momentous political development was undeniably due to the sponsorship and support of His Excellency Nyesom Wike, CON, GSSROS, the immediate past governor of Rivers State, and the current minister of the Federal Capital Territory. As a Ijaw people, we are eternally grateful to His Excellency Nyesom Wike for championing and supporting the emergence of an Ijaw son as the governor of Rivers State. We are, however, saddened and embarrassed by the infusion of false narrative of ethnic coloration into issues of disagreement between the governor of Rivers State, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, and his benefactor, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, and in which the governor appears to whip the Ijaw ethnic sentiment as though there is raging war and acrimony between Ijaw ethnic nationality and Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, His Excellency Nyesom Wike. Nothing can be further from the truth. As critical stakeholders in unity, peace, and development of the Rivers Ijaw people, and indeed our dear state, we made the following points to articulate our position on the racial controversy in our extraordinary meeting held on Saturday, the 1st of June 2024. One, that over the centuries, the Ijaw people have been historically known for their gratitude to their benefactors, and this has not changed even in this present circumstance. That considering the multi-ethnic configuration of Rivers State, the Ijaws see collaboration in politics, economy, culture, and social relationships with other ethnic groups as sacrosanct and as a tool that oil the wheels of growth and development in Rivers State. 3. We are not unaware of the political decision in Rivers State, and now some prominent Ijaw personalities have been made to join innocently to fuel the disagreement, not minding the boomerang effect of such action on the future of our children and generations to come. We therefore call on all well-meaning Ijaw leaders in Rivers State and other neighboring states, as well as in the diaspora, to join effort with the Rivers Peoples Congress as we yearn for a continued and sustained development and growth of Rivers State, the foundation of which was laid by the previous administrations, including Chief Nyesom Wike. It is worthy of recalling that in his non-discriminatory and inclusive leadership style, the Honorable Minister of Federal Capital Territory has continued to show goodwill and love to the Ijaw nation, as reflected even in the unsolicited appointment of Ijaw sons and daughters into position of trust at the federal level. The appointees include Chief Yayi, DSROS, Executive Director of Finance and Admin, NDDC. Rufus and Government Elsewhere, DSROS, Federal Commissioner, Federal Civil Service Commission. Chief Nagurinama George Kelly, Alamo, DSROS, Director General, Border Community Development Agency. Her Excellency Ambassador Maureen Tamu, Managing Director, Abuja Investment Company. Professor Henry I. Okiri, DSROS, Commissioner, National Population Commission. With all these appointments within a space of 6 months, can we say that Nyesom Wike hate the Ijaw people? No! The wrong notion that Ijaw people are in disagreement with other tribes or persons over the current political impasse poses a significant danger to our Ijaw communities and people, particularly regarding peaceful coexistence among themselves and with other tribes and people. We therefore condemn all acts and utterances that are inimical to fostering unity among the Ijaw people and between Ijaws and other ethnic groups in Rivers State. 5. We sincerely and most humbly acknowledge the intervention of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, who has shown interest, passion, and fatherly care in the affairs of the Rivers State. We are indebted to you, Mr. President, and we shall continue to support your renewed hope agenda and further assure you of the safety of our national assets within the territory of Rivers State, contrary to the reckless utterances of some misguided elements. 6. That we express our gratitude to His Excellency Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, our son, former President of Nigeria, for recently demonstrating remarkable statesmanship and true character of genuine Ijaw leader in Rivers State. When he called for peace and mutual respect by all concerned in the state. 7. That it is worthy of note that as a group, we are not against an Ijaw son as governor of Rivers State, as we are aware, as we were at the forefront of the clamor for an Ijaw son or daughter as governor of Rivers State. We worked assiduously and committed our time and resources to see the emergence of our son and brother, the current governor of Rivers State. That as a people, we continue to demonstrate our love and support for His Excellency, Barrister Chief Nyesom Wike, CON, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, whom we have always seen as our son, brother, leader, friend, and lover of the Ijaw nation. That while we hope for peace and progress, all the Ijaws must be circumspect in our utterances and actions and must not place greed and personal interest ahead of the collective interest and well-being